In case you don't know, we're here at my lightning talk, which is integration of AI into storytelling and fundraising for nonprofits. Now, everything I'm covering, you can apply to anywhere in the sector. We just happen to use the title of nonprofits. I'm going to give you a quick story before I go ahead and get into the presentation. 12 years ago, I was invited to South Africa by the Southern Africa Institute of Fundraising. And they said to me, listen, I teach fundraising at New York University. I teach digital fundraising. And they called me and they said, we have all these organizations that were just defunded by the European Union because of the economic downturn, and they don't know how to brand themselves. They don't know how to acquire new donors and the like. Can you come and create some sessions around how they can use technology to do so? So I went there and I ran a bunch of different sessions around how to leverage email. Social media was very new at the time, because what I understood is if they wanted to reach a global audience, they needed to have a footprint of some kind online. And fast forward to today, done a lot of different talks around that, but I'm really excited about artificial intelligence, because while email and websites and even philanthropic platforms were game-changing back then, this is like 100 times more powerful than that was. And the reality is, the narrative is such that we're not represented, we're not there, but we need to be. And so I'm going to show you a very accessible way to understand artificial intelligence and a specific emphasis on what's called generative AI. Are you with me? Yes. Sounds good? All right. And by the end of today, I want you all to promise me you're going to go ahead and sign up for ChatGPT. I don't make money off of it, so I'm trying to make it so accessible for you that you start using it, and I'm telling you, it's going to change your life. People like acronyms, so I came up with the acronym CARE. And you know who helped me come up with that acronym? ChatGPT. Okay? Because I knew what I wanted to say, but I wanted to say it in a way that would be catchy for everybody. So the 4 things we're going to cover today, right? So this is AI for nonprofits, and it's the CARE approach for amplified impact. First, we're going to talk about the challenges limiting access for African nonprofits, because I promise you, I'm not talking about technology for technology's sake. I'm trying to show you how you can apply the technology to solve the problems your organizations deal with. Make sense? The next thing we're going to go into is AI, generally AI, and then generative AI. I'll give you some definitions that you can actually understand, not like the computer science PhD level definitions. And then I'm going to show you the different ways that AI in general democratizes access for organizations on the continent, as well as generative AI. Then I'm going to show you realize the value of generative AI. I'll give you a demo of a personalized donor communication that I recorded it for you because I wasn't sure about the internet here. But I'm going to show you how easy it is for you to use this tool to help you communicate better. And then finally, to empower your impact, we provided a curated list of resources to help amplify your efforts.